welcome back to Fun Times with Mommy Danucha. We're camping and I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect s'more. First, you need to put 2 marshmallows on a stick. Then you would need to bite it here. Then put on the fire. A little bit more.
It's okay.
Okay. Then you put a piece of chocolate. You can use any chocolate you want. Then you put a graham cracker on the bottom first. Then put another one on top. Then you'll just remove the stick out gently so it doesn't break. Ooh. So it doesn't break. Wait. And then you got the perfect s'more.